roast pork, rice fungus, egg, garlic, lamb, carrots, chili pepper. So for the pork, raise the garlic and chop it. So now we are ready to roll. For the quickest one, that's I use the baby napkin. So put the napkin like this. Put the rice paper on. Take another one. One more rice paper. Another one. So now you make sure you can roll straight in the rolls. Like this. And now we roll. How the rolling look like, and normally that if you want to make it crunchy, you can put some eggs on this. That's the egg, the yolk of the egg. You see, and you fry it. I will use this one to fry the easier. So when the cover is brown and when you touch it is hot and you feel crunchy and the smell good. So this is how I have it. So we'll see you next time, and I will make a new name from the ingredients from other country. See you.